1965 USA 1-cent coin. Today's video, we're diving into the world of the 1965 Lincoln cent, a coin you probably pass by every day, but some versions are so rare that collectors are paying thousands, even tens of thousands for them. With hidden errors, rich history, and the right condition, the 1965 penny could be a surprising treasure in your pocket. Historical background. Why 1965 METTRS? The year 1965 marked a turning point for U.S. coinage. The country was facing a major coin shortage, and silver prices were soaring. The U.S. Mint had just stopped using silver in dimes, quarters, and half dollars. While the penny wasn't struck in silver, this environment led to critical changes in minting policies and design priorities. To ease pressure, the Mint temporarily removed mint marks from all coins between 1965 and 1967. That means all 1965 pennies lack a D or S, even if they were minted in Denver or San Francisco. It was a year of reform and efficiency, and it's reflected in the 1965 cent design and symbols. The meaning behind the COI in the 1965 1-cent coin continued the Lincoln Memorial design that began in 1959. Obverse. Front designed by Victor David Brenner. The front displays Abraham Lincoln facing right. Around him are the inscriptions, "In God We Trust." At the top, Liberty. To the left, the year 1965. To the right, with no mint mark, reverse, back created by Frank Asparo, the reverse features the Lincoln Memorial. You'll also notice United States of America curved across the top. E pluribus unum just above the building. 1 cent boldly at the bottom. Look closely, and you'll even see a tiny seated Lincoln in the center of the memorial, an incredible detail for such a small coin. The use of the Lincoln Memorial symbolizes unity, justice, and the enduring legacy of the 16th president. Mintage process. How the 1965 penny was made. 1965. The U.S. Mint was shifting priorities due to the national coin shortage. To streamline operations, no proof coins were made. No mint marks appeared on any U.S. coins from 1965, 1967. The Mint focused on high-speed production to meet demand. The 1965 Lincoln cent was struck on 95% copper and 5% zinc planchets, weighing 3.11 grams. Mintage total, over 1.49 billion coins, making it one of the most heavily produced U.S. cents of the 1960s. Despite the high mintage, special varieties and errors give this coin its collectible edge. Rarity and varieties. What makes a 1965 penny valuable? While most 1965 pennies are common, some versions are extremely rare and valuable. Double die obverse. DDO. These show doubling in the date, Liberty, or In God We Trust. High-grade DDOs can fetch hundreds to thousands. Double die reverse. DDR less common than DDO, but still highly sought after by error collectors. Off-center strikes, especially those that are 50% off-center and still show the date. These errors can sell for $100, $500 plus. Struck on a silver planchet. Though pennies were never intended to be struck on silver, rare examples struck on dime planchets have been found. These weigh 2.5 grams and appear silver in color. These can sell for $5,000 to $20,000. Wrong planchet errors. Coins struck on foreign planchets, used for coins from other countries, have been found. Depending on rarity, values range from $1,000 to $10,000 plus. Value. What is a 1965 penny worth today? Let's break down what a 1965 Lincoln cent is worth depending on condition and rarity. Circulated. Common, usually 1 to 3 cents due to copper content. Uncirculated. Mint state MS60, MS63. 20 cents to $1 MS64, MS65. $2 to $5 MS66 red. $15 to $30 MS67 red, rare $300 to $1,000 plus error coins. DDO/DDR, $50 to $500 plus silver planchet, $5,000 to $20,000 off center, with full date $150 to $500 plus. Die caps or multiple strikes, $3,000 or more certified coins graded by PCGS or NGC in high mint state with a red designation always sell for a premium. Recent auctions. Big sales you need to know about. Check out these actual auction results for the 1965 penny. A 1965 Lincoln Set MS67 Plus Red certified by PCGS sold for $3,525 at auction. A silver-colored 1965 Set Error, likely struck on a dime planchet, sold $4,700. A dramatic off-center strike with full visible date sold $4,975. A rare foreign planchet error from a 1965 Set sold for over $12,000. These numbers show that hidden treasures can lie within a coin as simple as the 1965 penny. Worth millions in circulation. Now the big question, could a 1965 penny be worth millions? Here's what would make that possible. Discovery of a unique mule error, such as a 1965 penny struck with a dime reverse or a foreign coin die, a previously unknown high-grade double die variety that captures the attention of the collecting world. The only MS68 Plus red coin known to exist, creating a bidding war among top collectors. A penny struck on a gold or silver alloy, either accidentally or as an experimental piece. If such a coin exists and is authenticated, it could realistically reach into the 6 or even 7-figure range. And that's what makes coin hunting so exciting. You never know what you might find. Conclusion: check your change. Know what to look for. So there you have it, the full story of the 1965 Lincoln Cent. It might be one of the most common coins ever made, but thanks to unique errors, high-grade examples, and collector demand, some versions are worth serious money. Whether you're a seasoned collector or a curious beginner, never overlook your pocket change. That plain-looking penny could be hiding a rare variety or error that's worth thousands, or maybe even more. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more coin collecting secrets, and hit the bell so you never miss out. Got a 1965 penny with an odd feature? Drop a comment below, we'd love to hear about it. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy hunting.